So what's up guys, welcome to Atechtimez. I'm Atul, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your voice or make your voice funnier by using FILMORA. Here is a sample voice which I recorded. Let me match to media.
What's up, guys? You're listening to Atechtimez Funny Clips.
This is going to entirely change in a minute. What you do is just double tap. It should take you to this audio settings. By just adjusting the pitch, your voice changes. Really. When I keep my pitch at the max level, listen to my voice now.
What's up, guys? You're listening to 8 times funny clips.
It's really easy. By keeping your pitch at a minimum level, your voice changes again.
So guys, you're listening to 8 times funny clip.
You can see it's that easy to change your voice or make your voice funnier. So thanks for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.